Let's continue. Practice problem number 5. 10 is greater than 5 or 7 is less than 2. So we're given 10 is greater than 5 or 7 is less than 2. Required is the simple or compound. If compound, identify the connected. Solution. Two simple statements joined by or. And this is a disjunction. Truth depends on at least one component. So the final answer, it is a compound proposition and it has disjunction, connective, or. Number 6. The sky is blue. So we're given the sky is blue. So required, simple or compound. The solution, single declarative statement. Truth value exists and typically true. So the final answer, simple proposition. Number 7. If today is Friday, then tomorrow is Saturday. So we're given, if today is Friday, then tomorrow is Saturday. So we are required, simple or compound is and then if it is compound, identify connected. Our solution, conditional sentence. If P, then Q. So our P here is the first proposition, Q is the second proposition. A compound formed by an arrow. So if the conjunction is, the connective is if ellipsis then. So the final answer, it is a compound proposition and it the if ellipsis then. Number 8. 4 is an even number and 9 is an odd number. So we are given 4 is an even number and 9 is an odd number. So we are required to determine if it is simple or compound. And then if compound, we need to identify the connective. Our solution, two simple numeric statements joined by and, which is a conjunction. And then final answer, compound proposition. And then we have the connective and, which is a conjunction. Number 9. Paris is the capital of France. So we're given, Paris is the capital of France. Required, is this simple or compound? So solution, single factual declarative statement with a definite truth value, which is true. So the final answer, it is a simple proposition. Number 10. It is not true that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we're given, it is not true that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Solution, negation of the simple arithmetic statement 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is a negation, and the logical connective is negation. Final answer, compound proposition, and then using the not. Number 11. Either the train will arrive on time or we will be late for school. So we're given either the train will arrive on time or we will be late for school. So we are required simple or compound, and then identify the connective. So the solution, two simple propositions joined by either ellipsis or, that is the disjunction. So the final answer, compound proposition, and then the disjunction or. Number 12. The man orbits the earth. Given, the moon orbits the earth. So we are required simple or compound. So the solution, single declarative factual statement. Truth value exists, which is true. Final answer, simple proposition. Number 13. If the switch is turned on, then the light will shine. So we're given, if the switch is turned on, then the light will shine. Required, simple or compound. Identify connective. So the solution, conditional statement. If P, then Q. So compound proposition with if, ellipsis, then connective, represented by an arrow going to the right. Final answer, compound proposition, and we have a conditional connective. If, ellipsis, then. Number 14. Apples are fruits and bananas are vegetables. So we're given, apples are fruits and bananas are vegetables. So we are required, is this a simple or compound? And if compound, identify the connective. So the solution, two clauses joined by and, which is a conjunction. Note, second clause is factually false. Bananas are fruits, but the whole is still a compound proposition. Final answer, it is a compound proposition, and there is a conjunction, connective, and. Number 15. All birds can fly. Given, all birds can fly. So required, is this simple or compound? So our solution, general declarative statement, which is a universal claim. It is a single proposition with a truth value, false, because some birds cannot fly. No connective combining other propositions. So the final answer, simple proposition. Number 16. Either she will pass the exam or she will retake the course. Given, either she will pass the exam or she will retake the course. So required, simple or compound. if compound identify the connective. So our solution, two possible outcome statements joined by either ellipsis or, which is disjunction. So final answer, it is a compound proposition and it has this disjunction, connective, or. Number 17. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. So we are given water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. So we are required, is this simple or compound? So solution, this is a single factual declarative statement, and truth depends on content. At 1 atm pressure, true. No, connective. So the final answer, it is a simple proposition. Number 18. It is not the case that 7 is an even number. So we're given, it is not the case that 7 is an even number. So we are required simple or compound. Is this, if it is a compound, identify the connective. So our solution, there is a negation and of a simple statement. Compound because it uses not. So final answer, it is a compound proposition and it has a negation connective using the word not. Number 19. If a number is divisible by 4, then it is also divisible by 2. So, if a number is divisible by 4, then it is also divisible by 2. So, required, is this simple or a compound proposition? If compound proposition, identify the connective. So our solution, conditional statement. There is a word if and then, a compound formed with a symbol arrow to the right. So the final answer, compound proposition, and it has conditional connective. If colon then. Number 20. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. So we are given the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on Earth. Required, simple or compound. So our solution, it is a single declarative factual statement and the truth value exists. The answer is true and there is no connective. The final answer, it is a simple proposition. We will have the next part of this lesson about quarter 4, numbers and algebra, lesson Roman numeral number 16.